YouTuber reaction channel, and today we're gonna be looking at 30 people who had one job and failed miserably. So yeah, let's just get right to the video. Let's go. The first person here is who couldn't put his app. I bet this person, imagine if a person literally went on Amazon and it came like that. Bruh! That would just be sad. I feel bad for you. But too bad. You gotta go Specsavers, you gotta go boost, get some glasses, look smart, and you better be able to sleep up because I'm gonna think those eyes, yeah, you get what I'm saying. Just fucking. Oh. Asia. I think that might be. I think you know that. No, I can't see it. Okay. We'll take. What does Asia the I need oh. No, I don't want both. So yeah, it is Africa apparently. But dude, how'd you get Africa mixed up with Asia? I mean, like, yeah, they're both big countries, but still. I don't even understand why you're angry because that must be good. So apparently so the chocolate's supposed to be covering the ice cream, but like that is still gonna be good. You're gonna get the delicious chocolate. Oh my god. What I do, you know what I do? Sometimes I get Nutella and I like swoosh it inside the cone, and then when I finish and I put my spoon on top like chocolate vanilla. I do not like strawberry. Too sweet. Anyways, and then I do it, and then every time I'm done, and then like on the chocolate part, I'm like, so delicious. On to the next one. Hold on. My friend, that's your right, and that's your left. You need to go back to school and learn your left and your right. So I call me some no, like my lesson big. Bat. Batman. If you don't know your Marvel superheroes, get someone else to do it for you. I love Batman. How can you miss this? I can't believe right now. Oh. What? I feel like this person should just took that from there. And I put it there for me to be like, guys, look what I got. But bruh, if you saw it was like that, what's something with coloring? But if you saw it was like that, why would you buy it? Some people are sometimes really stupid. Like this guy. Thirst. Wow, you in first place. But why is that medal so big though? That's a metal medal. I think I said metal. Why is that metal so big? It's like probably bigger than my head. I got a small head. High five! When you ask for cheese on the side. You don't seriously mean cheese on the side. My dishes. You had one job. Oh my lips don't close. I have a neighbor that hates me. You had one job. One job and you couldn't even do it. But if I was this dude's boss, I would fire him ASAP. Back to school. Whoa. What these people be doing at school? Murderers? Boy, if this is for cooking lessons, I would understand, but this is a big knife. Like, I've never seen some school stuff so, how do you say it? What's the word? So, not for school? Like, you're trying to kill yourself or you're trying to kill your other students. Like, I would understand if you literally hate someone and just be like, hey, I got this from the back to school, I am bad. It didn't look good. You could have asked him to move his freaking car, and now he's gonna have stripes on it. And what's the point? No. Please. Next one. Do not enter. Enter only. Do not enter. Which one is it? Enter only. Why are there scissors then? They're literally blue scissors. I don't want to play both. Anyway, do I enter or do I not enter? Wherever you entered, obviously. Oh my god, it's only do not enter. If that's do not enter, then that's obviously do not enter. I'm stupid. Wow. She looks pretty. What is that? It's black stuff. What's that? I don't know if you have. Okay, you did have one chocolate. Why did you pick two? Like, if you wanted one, my face is about to come out. I'm so angry. You guys! I can't. Why is the toilet paper pink anyways? It's a ball. I think that's for girls, but if it's a boy and he's girly, then it will make. No, it will not. And that's a lie. I'm gonna go on up and act like a French I don't know. Okay, I'm a tomboy, kind of, not really. Yes, I kind of want to play football to the basket. What can you see? That's not really that. I just realized. I thought that was another door, but that was actually just a door. How did you even close the door? Like, whereas that's a bedroom, you want privacy. Just stupid people. What's it? Hold up. Oh, so that's back. See? Now you hear someone just like, what is Gatuna? Wait! I got some Gatuna at the store. No, you didn't. That's very good. Nick Nolte is a cop. Nick Eddie Murphy. I'm not even gonna try to explain this one. Floats on water. You don't know what the meaning of floats is. You are really stupid. That looks like some Nokia. Why is the Nokia like $129? Bruh! This is technically a Nokia. Just. You should have just left the handle alone. You didn't need a handle. What? can't even. I mean, if you go in the bar, then that's kind of scary. I'm just trying to make a good solution. I can't even think of Uno. I mean, if it was a grandma and she didn't know that I was gonna fuck here, she'd be like, well, I'm stuck here forever now. Tarantula. Pullback. Scurries up to 6 feet. Oh, my dude, that's a cockroach. Oh, that's good. I mean, nobody would fall for that. Everyone knows. Everyone knows that cockroaches don't look like that. Well, most of them don't. Teresa Kennedy, Benticina. Ain't that the same dude? Or is that me? It's just me? Sutp. What's Sutp? Sutp. Oh, yeah, and you better Sutp. Otherwise, I'll turn you into an octopus. How do you spell the sign stop right? And then that's one of the words wrong. Cinnamon multi-grain cereal. I don't think you know your freeze with other stuff. Because that is actually... What? That is, blueberries? Oh, no you did. Ketchup, man. You don't know your sauces. This dentist assault suspect. First name, last name. What's your first name? My first name's first name. What's your last name then? My last name, last name. Bruh. Somebody could just swerve and then boop. Oh, no. That's good. Onions. Those are called corn on the cob, you stupid. Get some actual onions. Put them. The job is well done. Yeah, I know it's not. You're supposed to put the paper inside. Oh my god, and this is so stupid before. And yeah, that's it for today, so I'll see you next time. Goodbye! Oh, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button until Hester Hell until comment down below with some of my videos.